What's up guys, this is going to be a quick video. I was in the process of installing my Raptor lights, and I've got a 2021 4Runner, so I've decided I'm going to just build my own harness for that, but I'll make a separate video for that one. But today we're going to do arguably one of the most important mods to the 4Runner yet, and that's putting one of these kind of retro badges on. Typically you'd have like the orange and yellow colors, but I wanted to keep with the theme of my 4Runner, which is kind of like the Stormtrooper vibe. So hopped on Amazon and found this Oxilam badge. It was 20 bucks. I mean, I think for a cheap piece of plastic is a little bit overpriced, but I think it'll freshen up the front end just a touch, and it'll be, a little bit of a customization. It does look like they give you multiple length threaded rod, so you can have multiple options of where you want to mount the thing. Has a nice little bracket in the back. Looks like it comes with everything that you need to install it. The only thing I'm going to add is some Loctite. I'm going to throw some on those threads to keep that threaded rod from backing out. And yeah, the only thing left to do is pick which threaded rod I need and find a place on the grill. So I'll do that now, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so what I did was I brought the Emblem over. I fed it through the grill with the shortest threaded rod first, and those seem to be the right length for the 5th Gen 4Runner. I got the Emblem positioned where I wanted it, did a quick test fit, and then I marked the location where I want to put it with painter's tape. I took it back off, and I did that so that I could come over here, and I'm going to back out the threaded rod. I'm going to leave the nuts where they are because I positioned those so that when the Emblem goes through the grill, this backs up against it, because you want the backing plate to sit up against the nut, and that's what sandwiches it against the grill on the Toyota. So I got those where they need to be, and then like I said, I'm just going to back this threaded rod out of the Emblem, throw me some Loctite down in the Emblem itself, then I'm going to reassemble the whole thing, and I'll show you the end product. Alright, and so the final product is this. One thing I did do that others probably won't even do, some people may not even care, is I just made sure it was level. I'm a big fan of, if you're going to do something, do it right. I will note the nuts on the back of the kit that I got were 5/16, so I took a little ratcheting wrench that fit easily back behind there, got it tied up snug so it grabs against the grill. And we'll take a look back, and that's the final product.